In this video, I want to show you how to load paper in your Canon Pixma TR7820. There's two ways, there's two different places where you can load paper, so let's start with the first one. The most convenient one is located on the front, so you're going to glide your fingers over here and pull this drawer. Now you see there is some plastic blue guides over here and one over there. Depending on which paper you're going to print, you can move them so they adjust to the size of your paper. In this video, I'll use a US letter size, which is very close to A4. As you see over here, it is marked A5, B5, LTR, A4. This is for the different sizes. So if you want to load letter size, you're going to bring this until it's right beside LTR. And push these two blue guides to the extremities. Take your stack of paper and simply have to glide it like that and rest it. Then push the drawer back inside of the printer. This printer also have a paper input on the back. So this is the back of the printer, and if you flip this translucent plastic part over here, you're gonna find that there's a second place where to put your paper. This paper tray over here, it's mostly used for envelopes or for another paper type than the one in front. So you can have two different paper types at the same time in this printer. Obviously, you can also simply put US letter size over here. So as you see, there's some blue guides that you can push to the extremities, and if you want to load this, well, simply glide it like this. There's also over here, oops, just like that, a backrest for the paper so it stays, and yeah, this is another way how to load paper. Many people are also using this back tray to load envelopes, as you see over here. When you load paper in your Canon printer, you're gonna get a message on the screen confirming if it's the paper type. So if you always put the same paper type over there, you won't have to do anything. You see the message disappeared. But overall, this is it. If my video was helpful and you want to support my channel, check my Amazon links down below if you want to get some great paper for your Canon printer, some ink cartridges, or even a brand new printer. You support my channel since I get a very small commission from those links from Amazon, and yeah, I keep doing these videos. Like, comment, and subscribe.